Hello, I am Mariah Jane C. Taladua from BSN3 Block ND, and today I will be demonstrating on how to perform skin preparation. So let's get started. Before we start performing the skin preparation, we need to know first the principle or the purpose on why we do skin preparation to the patient. Skin prep aids in preventing surgical site infections by removing debris from and cleansing the skin, bringing the resident and transient microorganisms to a reducible amount, and in hindering the growth of microbes during the surgical procedure. It is the responsibility of the perioperative nurse or the circulating nurse to access the patient's skin before, during, and after the prepping process. It is important to document the condition of the patient's tissues, noting lesions and other markings as appropriate. In addition, it is also their responsibility to advise the patient not to use emollients, oils, creams, and lotions after washing, since some products decrease the efficacy of antimicrobial soap. Hair removal can injure the skin surfaces, which can provide an opportunity for entry of microorganisms and are a potential source of infection. However, hair surrounding the surgical site may be so thick, which may interfere with exposure, closure, or dressing. Thus, the hair removal is necessary and may be done by shaving with razor. It is important to remember that shaving should be performed as near the time of incision as possible. Avoid making nicks and cuts in the skin. However, nicks made immediately before the surgical procedure, approximately up to 30 minutes, are considered clean. The following are the things we need to have when doing skin preparation. 3 containers of solution for skin preparation, which includes 3 cotton balls with betadine cleanser, 3 cotton balls with alcohol, and 3 cherry balls with an antiseptic solution, a picking forceps, a small sterile container, and sterile gloves. Using the picking forceps, we place the 3 cotton balls from the containers to the small sterile container. After each solution, we need to rinse the picking forceps to prevent contaminating from the next solution. Now that we have gathered all of the materials for skin preparation, we are now ready to perform the procedure. As I've mentioned, the circulating nurse will be in charge of doing this procedure. Thus, the first step to do is to don the sterile gloves properly. In this procedure, we are going to do the abdominal antiseptic skin preparation, where our patient is in the supine position. Scrub the skin starting from the site of incision with the circular or over-widening circles to the periphery. Make sure to use enough pressure and friction to remove dirt and microorganisms from the skin and pores. For the abdominal antiseptic preparation, we include the breast line to the upper third of the thighs and from table line right to table line left. Discard the cherry ball after reaching the periphery. Never bring a soiled cherry ball back towards center of the area. Do this 3 times with a different cherry ball. In this case, we use at least 3 cherry balls for each solution. Then repeat scrub with a separate sponge for each round and apply antiseptic and paint the area with the solution from incision site to the periphery. The order of the solution in doing the skin preparations are the following. First, the betadine cleanser, alcohol, and betadine antiseptic. After the skin preparation, remove and discard the soiled gloves to its proper receptacle. And that is the end of my demonstration. I hope I followed the steps correctly and that this video will be helpful in appreciating the importance of this procedure. Thank you for watching.